We made everything a big metaphysical drama up in the skies. And it gets even worse because we've got a violent redemption of the world. That somehow God can solve problems by violence. Well, you've suddenly legitimated violence too. So the whole thing is an unworkable proposition. But until we understand that God's love revealed on the cross was not any atonement, satisfaction thing that God needed to be talked into loving us. It's just God is here. God is in love with us. It becomes much more joy-based. It becomes the banquet imagery you see in Jesus, always using the wedding banquet as the image of what he's talking about. But boy, I didn't grow up with any wedding banquet Christianity. It was all an obstacle course, proving yourself